Good morning, Principles of Biomedical Science students. As you have probably guessed, I'm not here today, but we do still have stuff to do. So here's what I want you to do today. We are in Principles of Biomedical Science, Block 1B. Click from Stream over to Classwork. And the first thing I want you to do is scroll until you see the topic called Career Journal. So if you open this up, it is a Google Slides Career Journal Notebook. Now you can take the time and add your name here, make it your own. If we go from from slide 1 to slide 2, you can see the general instructions. Okay. If you present this slide, you can click from this slide to whatever career journal we're doing. Click slide 3. And it gives you the general instructions. Now, if you have not done an assignment on Google Slides before, what you're going to want to do is go right here to this little icon that looks like a magnifying glass with a plus sign, and you'll want to zoom in. I like to zoom in to 100. Then make sure you clicked off from this, otherwise you're going to keep zooming instead of scrolling. I learned that the hard way. So for career journals, you're going to do a Google search probably of the education required to do the job, any additional trainings or certifications. You're going to do their daily activities. Tell me where they would work, hospital, police station, anywhere, tell me how much they make. It does say use proper MLA citation. Just copy and paste links to the websites you use to answer these. Here, this should say self-reflection. I'm not sure what I did there. But for self-reflection, tell me, would you do this job? Why or why not? What interests you? What seems difficult? What seems undesirable? Self-reflect. Tell me if you would do the job. Why or why not? And we're going to do one career journal today. And these from prior experience will probably take you about 10 to 15 minutes. Sorry, I don't want to do that. So the first career journal is a biomedical scientist. This is what we're doing today, biomedical scientist. So look up all the information. For additional questions, if you have your 1.1.1 lab journal, you can cut and paste into this because you've already done this. If you don't have that or can't find it or what have you, you can just skip the additional questions for this because you've already done it. Okay, so fill in everything. If you like to, you can copy and paste your additional question stuff from Lab Journal 1.1.1, but you don't have to. So that's the first thing I want you to do today. Don't turn this in. Just get this done and close it out. Don't turn it in. The next thing I want you to do for today is already in the 925 folder. Okay, it's the ethics quests. So you click on it, and the description is, as we look through Anna's cell phone, it's important to know the difference between what we can do and what we should do. The difference is a matter of ethics. So before we look at Anna's phone and her evidence, I want you to do the ethics quest. So click on and open this Google Doc, and linked at the top, you can open up this ethics quest, okay? So read through this. You can watch the videos, which I'm going to close before they start playing, okay? And then you got some scenarios here. So you click on each scenario, you read through it, and here we go. Down near the bottom of each scenario, there are questions for you to answer. And those questions The answers to those questions are what you put underneath each scenario. So you get that done and turned in today, okay? And I will be back for you on Thursday.